Jenga is a competitive puzzle game played with blocks that are stacked on top of one another to make a tower. The aim of the game is to remove blocks and place them on top without knocking the tower over. You can play with anywhere from 2 to 10 players. To play Jenga, first lay 3 Jenga blocks together to make a square-shaped base. Then, stack 3 new bricks on top of the base that are perpendicular to the first layer of bricks. Repeat this process until all 54 pieces have been placed into a tower. Then, have one player volunteer to go first. The starting player removes a single block and places it on top of the tower to start a new row. Players are not allowed to pull a block from the top 3 rows, or use more than one hand to remove their block. Once the starting player places their block, the player sitting to their left goes next. Keep playing like this until one player knocks the tower over. Whoever pulls the block that causes the tower to topple over loses.